Hi Ronnie,
Hello, Rimu.
how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine.
Please tell me about your country.
Why not? What you speak about my country?
What's your name of country?
My country name of Bangladesh.
Yeah. Which country have you come from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, I see. I have heard. It's beautiful countries.
Yes, indeed. We have 6 seasons true to say. Our country is playground of nature.
What is your mother tongue?
Bangla. Most of the people here speak this language.
Now, tell me about your religion.
About 86% of our people are Muslims, so uh, our state religion is Islam. Besides, there are Hindus, Buddhists, and some Christian.
What about your national dress?
Our national dress for men is pajama and Punjabi, and for women, shirts, saris, and blouse.
Thank you very much, kind your information.
It's my pleasure.
Nice to meet you too, Remo.
Nice to meet you too, Ronnie.
Bye.